Hey anime fans, have you ever been frustrated by blurry images or poor quality in your favorite animations? Has your beloved anime lost its detail and brilliance? Don't worry, today I will bring you a solution to restore the image quality. I'm going to show you two powerful AI software, Topaz and Unifab, which can intelligently analyze anime frames, enhance image quality, and eliminate blurriness, making visuals clearer and more detailed. We will select Upscaler and then import our video. Next, it is very simple. You only need to select the output resolution and the required AI model to complete the operation of the entire function. Here we select Animation Model. On the right panel, you can preview your video and even trim clips before processing. Once everything looks good, set your export folder and simply click Start. You can see that Unifab's export speed is very fast. Next, let's enter Topaz to operate. We open the software. Here is the start interface of Topaz. First, import the video. On the right side of the software is a list of all the functions. We click on Enhancement and we can see that there are 7 models for us to choose from. To the right of each model is a brief summary of the model's functionality. We'll choose the Gaia model for animation. Select 4K as the output resolution and keep other parameters as default. On the left side of the software, you can crop, trim, and preview the video. You can set it according to your preferences. Finally, we click Export. You can see that Topaz's processing speed is also very fast. Let's take a look at the final effect comparison. It can be seen that these two software have significantly enhanced the clarity and details of the anime images through AI technology, with noticeable improvements in image quality, making colors and lines more vivid. Both software also perform strongly in removing noise and artifacts. However, in terms of detail restoration, Unifab's generated images are superior. From the repaired characters and scenes, Unifab produces more complete image quality with fewer artifacts. So which software's restoration effect do you prefer? If you like our video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more AI restoration tools and useful videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.